Welcome all in our today's lecture. In this lecture, we are discussing about Laplacian equations and try to solve some examples using Laplacian equation. So, first example is if f of z is analytic function, then prove that second partial derivative with respect to x plus second partial derivative with respect to y of mod of f of z its square equal to 4 times mod of f dash of z its square. So, we know that Laplacian operator del square in terms of z and z bar is d bar square by d bar x square plus d bar square by d bar y square is equal to 4 times d bar square of d bar z into d bar z bar, which is equal to del square. So this is Laplacian operator in terms of z and z bar. So now consider our LHS. Consider LHS, which is equal to second partial derivative with respect to x plus second partial derivative with respect to y of modulus of f of z its square. So using Laplacian operator in terms of z and z bar, so this second partial derivative becomes 4 times second partial derivative of d bar z into d bar z bar of f of z into f of z bar. Okay. So we know that mod of f of z square become f of z into f of z bar. So since mod of z square is equal to z into z bar. So using this concept, now here we are taking partial derivative with respect to z and z bar. So this function is first function is a function of z. So and second function is a function of z bar. So we can separate partial derivative. So we get 4 into partial derivative with respect to z of f of z into partial derivative with respect to z bar of f of z bar. So in that way we get this become 4 into partial derivative of f of z is f dash of z into partial derivative of f of z bar is f dash of z bar. Okay. And now this is equal to 4 times modulus of f dash of z bracket square, because f dash of z dot f dash of z bar become modulus of f dash of z its square, and in that way we get our required RHS. Okay, so this is a very simple example which is depend upon Laplacian operator. Now our next example is if f of z is analytic, then prove that second partial derivative with respect to x plus second partial derivative with respect to y of square of mod of real part of f of z is equal to 2 times mod square of f dash of z. So let f of z, analytic function f of z is equal to u plus iv be analytic. Okay. So differentiate this with respect to x. So we get f dash of z is equal to partial derivative of u with respect to x plus I into partial derivative of v with respect to y. And now our RHS is, consider RHS. So RHS is equal to 2 times mod of f dash of z its square. So this is equal to 2 times modulus of f dash of z. So f dash of z is d by u by d by x plus I into d by v by d by y. So this becomes square root of d by u by d by x its square plus d by v by d by x its square. It is partial derivative with respect to x. So its square and square of this modulus whole bracket square. So in that way we get 2 times d by u by d by x bracket square plus d by v by d by x bracket square. So this is our RHS. So this become equation number 1. Now consider LHS. So LHS is equal to second derivative with respect to x plus second derivative with respect to y of mod of real part of f of z its square. So this becomes second partial derivative with respect to x plus second partial derivative with respect to y of real part of f of z. So our f of z is u plus I and real part is u. So mod u is u and its square become u square. Okay, since real part of f of z is u. Okay, so we get u square and then separate this, we get second derivative with respect to x of u square plus second derivative with respect to y of u square. So this is equal to first derivative as it is, differentiate once with respect to x, we get 2u into d by u by d by x plus similarly this become one derivative as it is with respect to y into bracket 2u into d by u by d by y. Now again differentiate this by using product rule of derivative. So first differentiate this 2u, so we get 2 into d by u by d by x into this d by u by d by x as it is plus 2u as it is into derivative of d by u by d by x become d by square u by d by x square plus similarly this become 2 into d by u by d by y into d by u by d by y as it is plus 2u as it is into d by u by d by y, its derivative with respect to y become d by square u by d by y square. Now these both terms containing 2, so take 2 common and what is remaining, d by u by d by x into d by u by d by y become d by u by d by x its square. Okay, d by u by d by x into d by u by d by x become d by u by d by x square. Similarly this become d by u by d by y its square and taking 2 outside from this equation. And now in remaining equation 2u is common. So what is remaining, d by square u by d by x square plus d by square u by d by y square. Okay, so in that way we get 2 times d by u by d by x its square plus d by u by d by y its square. Okay, and this term becomes 0 because since d by square u by d by x square plus d by square u by d by y square is equal to 0, f of z is analytic and therefore u is harmonic function. Okay, if f of z is analytic then both u and v are harmonic, and that's why this second partial derivative, this Laplacian equation equal to 0. So in that way this become our equation number 2 and therefore from equation 1 and 2 we get LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so this is our final answer. Using solution of given examples in this video, you should try to solve these 2 examples as your own. So in first example f of z is given, f of z is required, which is an analytic function, and we have given u minus v is equal to e raised to x into cos y minus sin y. Okay, so answer become e raised to z plus c. All of you know how to find f of z in this case. And now second example is, if f of z is analytic function, then we have to prove that this equation. So hint is that mod of f dash of z becomes square root of f dash of z into f dash of z bar. And we required log of this function, so log become log of square root. So square root means take this power in front of log, since using log m raised to n is equal to n log m. So we get this equation, and further log of f dash of z into f dash of z bar become log of f dash of z plus log of f dash of z bar. Using the property of logarithm, log m into n is equal to log m plus log n. And finally, apply this formula of derivative with respect to z of log of f of z. So here function is f dash of z. So log of f dash of z become 1 upon f dash of z into derivative of f dash of z is f double dash of z. Similarly, partial derivative of log of f dash of z bar become 1 upon f dash of z bar into derivative of f dash of z bar is f double dash of z bar. So take care of that. Here we are differentiating with respect to z of function log of f dash of z, and here we are differentiating with respect to z bar. Okay, and then we can easily solve this example. Okay.